Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing very well. In today's video, we shall discuss tax rate of our domestic company as well as applicable surcharge rate for the domestic companies. Section 115 BA, BAA and BAB. These 3 points will be discussed separately in 3 different videos. Today I will give an overview of the tax rate and the applicability of surcharge for the domestic company. So stay connected with my channel and stay till the end. Thank you. The class, we shall discuss the tax rate of our domestic company for assessment year 22-23. For the assessment year 22-23, the relevant previous year is 21-22. So, in case where its total turnover or gross receipt, total turnover or gross receipt during the previous year 1920 does not exceed 400 crore, then the tax rate is 25%. One question arises among my viewers that why 1920 is considered, why not 2021? So in this matter, I just want to clarify to all of you that for assessment year 22-23, our previous year is 21-22. Previous year is 21-22. As on the 1st April 21, the income tax department has the figure of turnover of 1920 based on the income tax return filed by the domestic companies. So, the department has considered the turnover of 1920. So, if the turnover of 1920 is less than 400 crore, then the tax of 1920 is less than 400 crore, then the tax rate for the previous year 21-22 is 25%. Normally 2 years before the previous year is considered, like 21-22 is the previous year, the 1920 is considered here. And if the company is opted for section 115 BA, then the tax rate is 25%. BA is for manufacturing company. Right now BA is not much more applicable as the 115 BAA has come. BAA has come into the picture, so now BA is not much applicable, but still it is in the act. So I will discuss in 115 BA, BAA and BAB in separate videos. Here I just make you a brief that if the company opted for 115 BA, then the tax rate is 25%. If the domestic company opted for 115 BAA, then the tax rate is 22%. After introduction of BAA, 115 BA is not much relevant. We will understand this in next videos. And if the company opted for 115 BAB, then the tax rate is 15%. In case of if the company has not opted for 115 BA, BAA and BAB and the turnover of 1920 is more than 400 crore, then the tax rate of domestic company is 30%. Then the tax rate of domestic company is 30%. All of you would know the concept of MAT, minimum alternate tax. MAT is applicable on this one 25%, on this 30% and 115 BA. MAT is applicable. We need to check whether how much the tax amount after applying the book profit under section 115 JB, or as per the normal tax rate. We need to check which one is more. The higher of the tax calculated under section 115 JB and the normal tax rate will be applicable for the company. So MAT is applicable under this condition when the turnover is less than 400 crore, then also MAT is applicable. And if company opted for 115 BA tax rate as 25%, then also MAT is applicable. Or in case the company has not opted any other provisions and the turnover of 1920 is more than 400 crore, then also the MAT is applicable. I will cover the MAT topic in separate videos. Charge. The amount of income tax computed shall be increased by a surcharge. In case a domestic company having total income exceeding 1 crore rupees but does not exceed 10 crore rupees. In case the domestic company having total income up to from 1 crore to 10 crore, then the rate of surcharge is 7% of such income tax. 7% of such income tax. In case the company having a total income exceeding 10 crore, in case the total income is more than 10 crore, then the surcharge is 12%. Then the surcharge is 12% of such income tax. Please note that surcharge is always charged on the amount of income tax calculated on the total income. However, if the company opted for section 115 BAA and BAB, in that case the surcharge is 10%. However, the rate of surcharge in case of a company opting for taxability under section 115 BAA or 115 BAB, then the surcharge is 10% irrespective of the amount of total income. So, if the company opted for 115 BAA and BAB, then the surcharge is 10% irrespective of the total income. In case if you calculate income by applying MAT, if you calculate income tax by applying MAT under section 115 JB, in that case also the surcharge rate is same, 1 crore to 10 crore, surcharge is 7% of the income tax, and if above to the 10 crore, surcharge is 12%. Up to that, I have discussed here the tax rate of a domestic company as well as surcharge. For regarding 115 BAA, BAB and BA, all and also MAT, all these topics are covered in separate video. So stay connected with my channel and give your valuable opinion in the comment section. Your opinions are very much important for us. Thank you very much. Thank you.